And welcome back. Well, it was another warm day. This was in Chain Park here in Hattiesburg, and we had plenty of sunshine. This was around 10:30 this morning, and it was all right this morning. And then this afternoon, temperatures, they started to climb on up. We topped out at 95 degrees here in Hattiesburg. 75 was our low. No precipitation. Of course, this is a drier air mass that I've been talking about for the past several days. So that's kept our heat index values below at least what they would have been with these temperatures a couple days ago. Still very, very warm outside. Unfortunately, that's going to stay with us for the next couple of days, and then talking more rain as well as some much cooler temperatures going into next week. Be prepared for that. 73 degrees for tonight's forecast under clear skies. Winds out of the south right around 5 miles per hour. And here we go into tomorrow. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 90s under those mostly sunny skies. Those winds, though, as well, will be out of the northeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And you can see here on our radar where the front is. It's right along the Gulf Coast. You can see showers just kind of staying put right there. Again, this is a stationary front now. It moved through as a little bit of a cool front. We really didn't see that much cool come from it, but we saw the drier air, and that's really what we've been watching and waiting for, because that's really where a lot of our heat index values, they really start to soar up, is when you get more moisture in the atmosphere. So this is kind of a stationary front. It's going to kind of stay down to our southeast for a couple of days, and then it's going to start to kind of move on off to the south and to the east and kind of wash out and get out of here. And behind it, all of this orange and yellow, this is a lovely color this time of year because that is all that dry air. Again, we have all the moisture down, and this being kind of just shunted. Basically, any northward movement is being shunted by this cool front that's sitting right there. So this dry air stays over us. Also notice how clouds above the cold front to the north of it are going east to west. That's because we're kind of in this zonal flow, as we call it. That's where we really don't have any north to south movement. So we'll be in kind of the same pattern for the next couple of days here. You can see on our future radar, if I put it into motion tonight, we're going to stay clear, and guess what? We're going to stay clear going into tomorrow as well. As that front still stays and keeps all the moisture down to our south and to our east. So tomorrow, again, another warm day, plenty of clear sun. You're going to have clear skies. That's going to bring out the sunshine. So again, if you have any plans for your Friday, so especially tomorrow evening, just be aware of that. You need to still stay hydrated. So we're taking an interesting look here, actually looking over the Atlantic Ocean. So one, we can see on our visible satellite, right where that cool front is, where we have all the dry air, not really any clouds today. We'll have a few, maybe high clouds tomorrow. But one thing I want to notice is we're about halfway through hurricane season, and we really haven't seen anything. Why is that? Well, we just haven't had a lot of development, and right now all that development is being stunted by, when it comes back around here, you'll notice, see kind of this cloudy skies right here, not the actual clouds, but kind of this muggy look. That's actually Saharan air, basically the dust from the Sahara off the west coast of Africa being pushed overhead over the Atlantic Ocean, and that really shunts any hurricane or tropical system development. Now, some people out there I know are starting to post things. Some of them also trying to pick up on maybe a tropical system developing later on, a couple weeks out. There's no confidence in that right now, so just bypassing those you see on social media, it's just not right at all. If there were any confidence, the Hurricane Center would put out something, and we're not seeing anything that really gives us any confidence right now. So just be aware of that. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. We're going to continue with the hot temperatures on into your weekend, and then we'll be back in the 80s, near 90 degrees for the majority of next week with those chances for showers.